dito rin natin mapatunayan na yung nag-vlog ay sponsor din. Ito ang gagamitin natin ngayon na pang ang sinasabi ng iba dyan, paki-level lang yung utak mo kasi hindi ka talaga level yung utak mo. Pakilam natin.
Bukanda forever! Sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride! Sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog!
Yeah! Ipapay, pichapay!
Dito natin mapapatunay.
Good evening, Earthlings. Before we continue with our viewing pleasure, here's our new subscribers. And this is my shout out for you. Papa Babs Moto PH, Moto Dom, Revbert TV, Jepoy24, Mark Rhino TV, Kojak TV Motovlog, Paps Rocky Motovlog, Jerash TV, Urbex Moto Outdoors, FDD Vlog, Pinoy Gala, Gamba Fox, Cloud Rider Motovlog, Exodus Motovlog, Esoy TV, Roldy Rider, Dada Madrigal, Abel Vlogs TV, Low Speed Motovlog, RB73 Motovlog, Kapogs Moto, Moto North, Pambayad TV, Gremar, Kuha Moto, Sir Vince, Boss J Gaming, 3D TV, Kadiscard Team. Welcome to the channel and thank you for watching. This is your Forces of Darkness, Sonad. Ride safe is law.
The Doritos in my mouth like that. Illiterate more is eating Doritos in my mouth like that.
Did you know that my speedometer broke during one of my rides? Then I realized it is difficult to know your estimated speed, especially above 60 kilometers per hour. So, when getting home, as if I'm riding slow, but it is not. Then the next night, I watched this guy on YouTube doing repair on this and realized it is so easy to troubleshoot if there is something wrong. But this is not what I thought it would be, because it is hard to take off the connector on the side of the wheel. Then the cable itself snapped. That is why it is not working.
It's putol. Okay na. Okay na. Okay, good na. Tanggalin natin. Yan na. Ipupush mo lang. Push mo natin. Gugutin. Nahirapan tayo bunutin yun. Lagyan natin WD-40. WD-40. Mahirap bunutin. Walang dyan. Pinapamadali lang nila. I-edit eh. Dito hindi. Dito lahat ang kahirapan. Ako tara. Wala naman tornilyo eh. Hinirapan ako ah. Mahirap po to. Hugutin. Yan na. Nandiyan na siya. Yay! Oh my God. It's putol. Yung putol. Bili tayo. Bili tayo ng ganito. Hinirapan ako. Tarantado to. Sobrang dikit eh, no? It's putol and lagot. And sa gabi nagbablog, sa gabi nagra-ride.
Then I go to a local store to buy this cable speedometer. But then, they have no stock for this cable on this motorcycle. But the guy instead got some cable from their scrap things and fabricate it. While it is working on it, slowly sinking in on my mind, this is not what I expect. But instead, I keep calm, and if it is looks, everything will be fine and he can repair it. Then after all these things are fitted, I was charged highly than what I expect for the spare part itself. So then I tested the speedometer if it is really working, but it's not. So I turned back to ask him to really repair it. Then he tried to fix it. And second time, I tried what he had repaired and the speedometer is still not working. Then eventually the guy went to the other stores to find the cable itself. And in the end, the only one way and only way is to replace the spare part. Then it works. Then I saw the cable package itself and it is cheap. Just like what the advice of the guy on YouTube. Then the next time, to avoid such scam, you must never send a boy to do a man's job. It's me, Soned. Good night.
Sa gabi nagro-ride, sa gabi nagbo-vlog.
Iba't ibang klase. Yan. Yan na, nakabit na natin ang Christmas light. Mga kaibigan, ito ang Christmas light. Christmas light na at Christmas na po. At tuwan-tuwa yung mga pusa. Yung magagandang pusa ang ating